Imagine facing a fine so large it could cripple your business. Non-compliance with privacy regulations isn't just a legal issue, it's a financial risk. Ignoring these rules can lead to hefty penalties and irreversible reputation damage. Beyond fines, non-compliance erodes trust. Customers expect their data to be protected. When businesses fail to comply, they risk losing customer loyalty and potential business opportunities. Can you afford to take that chance? Compliance isn't just about avoiding penalties. It's about building trust. When customers know their data is safe, they are more likely to engage with your brand. This trust opens doors to new markets and opportunities. A compliant business stands out in a crowded market. It enhances your brand's reputation and gives you a competitive edge. Compliance is not just a legal requirement, it's a strategic advantage. Privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA are complex and ever-evolving. Staying compliant can be challenging, but it's crucial. Arrakis Consulting simplifies this journey, guiding businesses through the maze of regulations with ease. Our expertise ensures you don't just meet compliance standards, but exceed them. With Arrakis Consulting, you can focus on your core business while we handle the complexities of privacy regulations. Consider a company that transformed its operations through compliance. By partnering with Arrakis Consulting, they not only avoided penalties, but also saw a boost in customer trust and business growth. Testimonials from our clients speak volumes. Businesses that have worked with us have experienced tangible benefits, from increased customer loyalty to new market opportunities. Compliance is a game changer. Achieving compliance is a journey, and Arrakis Consulting is your guide. We offer a step-by-step roadmap, complete with tools and resources to ensure a seamless transition to compliance. Our expertise and support make the process straightforward. With Arrakis Consulting, you can confidently navigate the complexities of privacy regulations and secure your business's future. Ready to prioritize privacy compliance? Contact Arrakis Consulting for a personalized consultation. Visit our website or email us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com. Let's secure your business's future together. By choosing compliance, you're not just avoiding risks, you're embracing opportunities. Take the first step today and ensure your business thrives in a privacy-conscious world. Contact us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com or visit our website at www.arrakisconsulting.com.